Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is about securing your cryptocurrencies. With the rise of digital currencies, it's important to understand how to keep your investments safe. In this video, we will discuss various ways to securely store your cryptocurrencies. 1. What is a cryptocurrency wallet? Before we get into the ways to securely store your cryptocurrencies, let's talk about what a cryptocurrency wallet is. A cryptocurrency wallet is a digital wallet that stores your public and private keys. Public keys are like your account number, while private keys are like your password. When you send or receive cryptocurrency, you use your public key. When you want to access your wallet, you use your private key. It's important to keep your private key safe, as anyone who has access to it can control your funds. 1. Hardware wallets. One of the most secure ways to store your cryptocurrencies is by using a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your private keys offline. The most popular hardware wallets are Ledger and Trezor. These devices are designed to protect your private keys from being stolen by hackers. They are also resistant to malware and viruses. When you set up a hardware wallet, you will be given a recovery seed. This is a phrase of 24 words that you can use to recover your wallet in case it gets lost or stolen. It's important to write down this seed and store it in a safe place. 1. Paper wallets. Another way to securely store your cryptocurrencies is by using a paper wallet. A paper wallet is a physical copy of your public and private keys. You can generate a paper wallet using various websites, such as bitaddress.org. Once you generate your paper wallet, you should print it out and keep it in a safe place. It's important to note that paper wallets are not as secure as hardware wallets. If someone gains access to your paper wallet, they can steal your funds. It's also important to ensure that your printer is not connected to the internet, as it can be hacked. 1. Hot wallets. Hot wallets are software wallets that are connected to the internet. They are convenient because you can access your funds from anywhere. However, they are less secure than hardware wallets and paper wallets. Hot wallets are vulnerable to hacking, malware, and viruses. If you choose to use a hot wallet, make sure to use a reputable provider. Also, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to add an extra layer of security. It's important to keep in mind that 2FA can also be vulnerable to hacking, so it's best to use a hardware wallet if you have a large amount of cryptocurrency. 1. Multisig wallets. Multisig wallets are wallets that require multiple signatures to access your funds. For example, you can set up a multisig wallet that requires 2 out of 3 private keys to access your funds. This means that even if someone gains access to one of your private keys, they cannot access your funds. Multisig wallets are more secure than single signature wallets, but they can also be more complicated to set up. If you're not familiar with setting up a multisig wallet, it's best to seek help from a professional. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are various ways to securely store your cryptocurrencies. Hardware wallets are the most secure, followed by paper wallets, multisig wallets, and hot wallets. It's important to choose a wallet that fits your needs and level of risk tolerance. Remember to keep your private keys safe and never share them with anyone. I think it's enough for today's video. I hope you gained some knowledge. If you gained some knowledge, then make sure to hit like and subscribe button. We will see you in next video. Thanks for watching.